Printful is a print-on-demand service that seamlessly integrates with Shopify, allowing businesses to create and sell custom-designed products online. Here's how Printful works with Shopify. Product selection. Merchants choose from a wide range of products offered by Printful, including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. These products serve as a canvas for the merchant's designs. Design and personalization. Merchants create their own designs or upload existing artwork to Printful's design tool. They can customize various aspects of the product, such as colors, graphics, and text to align with their brand. Integration with Shopify. Using the Printful app, merchants connect their Shopify store with their Printful account. This integration allows them to seamlessly sync products, pricing, and inventory between the two platforms. Product Mockup. Printful generates product mockups showcasing the design on the selected merchandise. Merchants can use these mockups to preview how their products will look before listing them in their Shopify store. Listing and selling. Once the products are set up and synced, merchants can list them in their Shopify store. Customers can then browse and purchase these customized products directly from the merchant's online store. Production and fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Printful takes care of the production and fulfillment process. Printful has a network of printing facilities located worldwide, selecting the one closest to the customer for efficient shipping. Shipping and delivery. Printful handles shipping and delivery of the products to the customer's specified address. The merchant and customer receive shopping notifications and tracking information to track the progress of the order. Profit and payment. Printful deducts the production and fulfillment costs from the product price, and the remaining amount is the merchant's profit. Printful typically bills the merchant on a per-order basis.